Get to the target.
So, this is the surface.
First time?
Roger. It's so big. The sky isn't buzzing. It's nothing like I've ever seen before. The air composition is the same, but somehow it just feels different.
It'll wear off in a day or two. We're guaranteed to run into raptures within the hour. This is no time for sightseeing. If you stay too long, you'll get a nice heavy dose of electron beams straight to the brain.
Yes, we must act quickly. The objective of this operation is to investigate the control room of the power station. Scanning the area. Aerating, clearing out alpha particles. Concentration, 42.23%. 21.48%. Alpha particle concentration, 2.01%. Scanning finished. According to the scan, you'll have to follow the maglev train tracks to reach the power station. A high voltage current is running through the entire line. It's not an issue for the NIKKEs, but the commander.
What are you talking about? You'll die.
Where is the current coming from?
Retrieving history. The city was closed off 5 years ago to prevent any raptures from escaping. Seems it was deliberately leaked to the outside. The line was close to completion, so it has been generating electricity autonomously.
What about the humans who are still in the city? Well, considering we don't know what we'll run into, it's best they stay inside.
Our first order of business is cutting off power to the line. Is there any way we can do that?
Yes, I will mark the location of the control room on the map.
Commander, I'm ready. Yes, Commander. Enemy aircraft confirmed.
Modern technology, reloading is so obsolete.
Oh, all gone.
Let's get this party started! Target locked. Commence bombardment!
So, I just have to shoot? Victory! With me on your team, did you expect anything else? Don't pull too.
We're about to engage.
Understood. Okay,
We're about to engage.
understood.
Okay, show me all you got!
Get to the target. Enemy aircraft confirmed.
Reload! Let's get this party started!
Let's push them around a little bit.
With all this modern technology, reloading seems so obsolete.
Give me all you got.
This battle's finished. Moving on.
Understood.
We're about to engage.
Move forward.
Reloaded.
Oh no. I went a little overboard and broke myself. Ugh.
Enemy sighted. Okay, moving.
Move forward.
Okay, moving.
We're about to engage.
Don't pull too hard.
Rappy!
Commander, get behind me. Shifty, watch my back.
Did I say something wrong?
Didn't you see the raptures?
No, I didn't.
Let's get this straight, Neon. There's an unwritten rule that any NIKKE who comes up to the surface must follow. You don't blurt things out indiscriminately. Got it?
I understand. Is this okay?
Sure.
What was that all about?
I just came up with something. If the current running through the tracks is the problem, then why does the commander just wear rubber boots?
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. Do you realize how many volts are running through those tracks? A human would be burnt to a crisp if they touched it. What I mean is, it's impractical.
Didn't you have more to say?
I feel like this can work. Commander,
I don't like this one bit.
I'm looking forward to it.
all this modern technology, you wouldn't think so often.
Let's get this party
So,
started!
I just have to shoot?
Reloading. Cover me.
Woohoo! It lacked a certain pizzazz, but I'm satisfied.
Understood.
Ooh, time to have some fun.
Okay, moving.
I'm not into doing the hitting myself, though.
Reload. Why do I know this?
Performing reload sequence.
Oh, all gone. Shall we? Let's get this party started! So, I just have to shoot? Reload! Position okay. Starting right away. Let's get this party started! Fire straight ahead! Together! Reload. One more time! Cover me! It's hard to shoot. Reload! Let's get this party started! Stronger! Keep shooting!
I'll reload. Woohoo! It lacked a certain pizzazz, but I'm satisfied.
Understood. Move.
Ooh, time to have some fun.
Get to the target.
We've arrived at the control room, preparing to cut power.
Commander, give me the combi link.
It's a device used to remotely control all sorts of machinery up on the surface. You see that little protrusion on your mobile? Pull that out. There will be a line attached to it. Yes, that's it. Now plug it into the port of the machine you want to control.
Commander, in here.
Did you really graduate from the military academy?
The power has been shut off. You can take the line straight into the city now.
In other words, this operation is of the utmost importance.
Shouldn't we find a pair of rubber boots?
Forget the stupid boots!
Initiating engagement sequence.
Let's get this party
Target clear.
What am I doing here?
Understood.
Move forward.
Don't pull too hard.
Get to the target.
Okay, moving.
Ooh, time to have some fun.
Move forward.
Enemy aircraft confirmed.
Let's push them around a little bit.
Reload. Why do I know this?
Woohoo! It lacked a certain pizzazz, but I'm satisfied.
Enemy neutralized.
Neon, I was getting worried back there. You sure you didn't go a bit overboard back there?
The bigger the better. That's what I say.
Aren't you worried about being unbalanced?
Let me tell you something, Anise. In this world, the only thing standing between us and the enemy is our weapons. If I end up not being perfectly balanced as a result, that's a risk I'm willing to take.
I see.
All right, everyone, follow me. Firepower wins the day! Hip hip hooray!
No.
staring at me like that?
Move over, will ya? I'm bored stiff just standing here.
I'll make an exception and give you some praise.
Any missions that are a cakewalk? Actually believe in others? Now that's a good one.
Don't pull too hard.
Get to the target.
get a lot of mileage out of it.
This shot will make you stronger. Some enhancements here, and then... Perfect. I'm stronger now, although that may spell trouble for me.
Hello, this is the electronic integration system of the central government.
Welcome to the Raise and Rebuild Workshop. Hope you put it to good use.
Okay.
Ooh, time to have some fun.
Are we going to play? That way? Oh yes, you'll make for wonderful guinea pigs.
Still got some fun in me. Rearranging.
You heard Valorta? Fire! Faster, stronger, keep shooting!
Battle complete!
Understood. Sure, why not?
Location of power station confirmed. You may proceed.
Consider
Considering that place could be crawling with raptures, we probably shouldn't just waltz in through the front door. I don't want to crash a rapture house party and end up as an entree.
Roger. Reports indicate that it resumed operation not long ago, although no one knows how or why. Officially, there are supposed to be 0 humans remaining on the surface. But we better expect the unexpected. We've attempted to investigate this strange phenomenon several times in the past, but nothing came of it.
Apparently, we sent in a large band of troops before. They were surrounded by hordes of raptures and got destroyed.
Putting aside the possibility of potential survivors, the power station itself is of great significance. A power station of this size could supply electricity to all the facilities in the Ark for 2 months.
In other words, this operation is of the utmost importance.
Apparently not important enough to send more than just 3 people.
Anise,
What's wrong?
do you intend on bowing out of this operation?
No.
Then I suggest you think before you speak.
But how do we get in?
By destroying the raptures guarding the power station.
I like where you're going with this. Let's do this.
That's not your decision to make.
Well, Commander, do you wish to proceed?
Understood. Let's go. Well, let's get this over with. If we're all going to die, I'd prefer to do it sooner rather than later.
Anise?
Commander, you stay in the rear where it's nice and safe. You just tell us what to do, and we'll do all the actual fighting. Think you can handle that? After all, it's better than the raw deal we're getting. We're just cannon fodder.
Anise!
What? Isn't that the most sensible course of action?
I could report you for insubordination against a superior officer.
Big whoop.
You would be executed on the spot.
How could you say that to me?
I'm just trying to talk some sense into you.
I'm the sensible one here. We're being tossed into a meat grinder.
We haven't even heard the Commander's battle plan yet. We're stuck between a rock and a hard place. There's no denying that. What's your suggested course of action?
Sneak in? Well, there does seem to be a route. Well, I'm glad to hear that.
Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Still got some fight in me. Reload. I draw them in this direction. Reload.
Victory! With me on your team, did you expect anything else?
Get to the target.
Engaging the enemy.
Understood. Where is this place?
It's a drain pipe leading into the power station.
So, you want us to climb into this thing?
But it's blocked.
Probably some collapsed debris blocking the way. Just a moment. I'll find another route.
Why don't we just dig through it?
That won't work. There's too much debris. What? How?
Are you sure? It'll be awfully loud.
There's no sight of any rapture activity near you. It should be safe.
Then let's do this.
Wait,
What is that?
leave this to me.
Wouldn't it be faster if we all...
Please, I've got this.
What does that mean?
All wreckage has been cleared. You may now enter the drain pipe.
That was amazing!
Commander! I knew it! There's nothing that firepower can't solve. No need to ask any questions, because it's always the answer. I can't thank you enough. I faltered back there, but you showed me the light. I almost strayed from the path I set for myself, and you put me back on track.
Some kind of path.
You're like a wise old master or something. I look forward to learning more from you. Yes, Master.
Please, a little bit of decorum when addressing the commander.
Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Rearranging.
Reloading.
I'll draw them in this
Wasting
direction.
my time. Let's get this over with.
Cover.
One moment. I'll be right back.
Battle complete.
Understood.
Get to the target.
Proceed as planned.
Am I doing this right?
Reload.
You heard Florida! Fire!
I'll draw them in this direction.
This experiment was a great success. Now who's next?
Engaging the enemy.
That way? Man, it stinks to high heaven.
If there aren't any people living here, how come it smells so bad?
Because it's a drain pipe. All sorts of stuff builds up in here over time.
Guys,
What is it?
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Then turn off your olfactory sensor.
But I feel less of a human when I do that.
You're not serious, are you?
In my heart, I'm a human. It's all I have.
Well, good for you! As for me, I'm turning mine off.
Commander, are you alright?
Hey, Watch what you say when you're behind me. You're in my line of fire, if you know what I mean.
I never thought we'd be sneaking in through a drain. Most commanders treat NIKKEs as weapons, so they prefer using confrontational tactics.
Tactics my ass. They're just too lazy to come up with any other kind of plan. They all think they're God's gift to mankind. Meanwhile, they throw a tantrum when they get a speck of dirt on their uniform. It makes me sick.
Stop.
Wait, Commander? Your face, it touched my... I warned you not to be lippy when you're in the line of fire! Back! Get back! What'd you stop for anyway?
I see light. We're inside the station.
Yeah, let's get out of here!
Some firecrackers ought to do the trick, don't you think? I'll draw them in this direction.
Why does this always have to happen to me?
Reloading. I'm an intellectual after all. Sure, why not? Understood.
Engaging the enemy.
Get to the target. Rapture spotted up ahead.
They're acting like they own the place. What are they doing down here?
What are they up to?
They're all gathered around the machines. What? How do Raptures know how to use human artifacts?
Anise, look. They're operating it.
This can't be real.
Has anything like this ever happened before?
Not that we know of.
Commander, I suggest we return to the Ark. We've completed our investigation. Yes, Commander. Shifty, confirm the escape route.
Damn it! We're exposed!
Engaging. Commander, get behind me.
Reppy!
Damn you, scum! Hey, Commander! Pull yourself together! They're coming! What is that shaking?
We're detecting a tyrant up ahead. Identifying the signal.
It's the one who dug the hole! We're in no shape to keep fighting. Rappy is gone! Shifty, I need an escape route, now!
Roger that. The harvester is still in operation. Follow this route and you should be home free.
Good. Come on, Neon!
Yep.
There's no need to be afraid. I'll draw them in this direction.
Fire straight ahead! Together!
Why does this always have to happen to me? You heard Florida? Fire!
Battle complete!
Yes, we lost them. How's Rappy?
She'll be fine.
We're almost there. We're going to run from here. Watch out for any large-scale raptors along the way.
Roger that! Commander, run! Damn you! Pull yourself together before you get us all killed! Rappy isn't dead yet. So long as we have her head, we'll find a way to bring her back. Go! Come on! Okay.
Master, here. Please carry this for us. It may hinder our movements in battle.
You are hereby banished. My orders were for you to investigate the power station, not destroy it. Thanks to your little display up there, the power station was damaged beyond repair. All those materials, those facilities, gone. Wiped off the map. 2 months. Those resources could have supported the entire Ark for 2 months. Now it's all been flushed down the drain, Thanks to you and those NIKKEs. Do you have anything to say for yourself? No. Nothing you say could possibly excuse what you've done here. As of today, you and your squad are to be driven out of the Ark and banished to the outpost. A barren wasteland. No man's land. But don't worry yourself too much. There are at least some resources available there. And I'll arrange an escort for you. Consider yourselves lucky I haven't thrown you all into a rehabilitation center. She's undergoing maintenance and will be joining you once that is all finished. Now go pack your things and get out of my sight. Any update on the combat report?
I've just finished analyzing it.
Well?
In a nutshell, I wouldn't consider them to be particularly proficient in actual combat scenarios either. The Raptures at the power station are different beasts entirely compared to their brethren.
Their squad managed to avoid all those creatures and escape with their lives.
Something's not right. I just can't put my finger on it yet. It's worth investigating further.
That's why they were sent to the outpost. There is no better place to avoid the eyes of the all-seeing central government.
One more thing.
I assume you're referring to how those Raptures were able to operate human machinery?
Could it mean they're evolving?
What's their endgame?
It's one of two possibilities. They either want to wipe out the entire human race, or they want to replace them.